Signs you might be an angel on earth. Let's find out. If you raise 4 fingers or more, you've probably got a spot saved in heaven. Raise a finger if you've ever helped someone without expecting anything in return. Raise a finger if you've forgiven someone even when they didn't apologize. Raise a finger if you get emotional when you hear sad stories. Raise a finger if you care deeply about the second person that shows up when you click share, and then more. Raise a finger if you always try to see the good in people. Raise a finger if you're the type of person who loves giving advice. Raise a finger if you make friends easily because people trust you. Raise a finger if you often put other people's happiness before your own. How many fingers did you raise? If it's 4 or more, tap the screen twice so I know.
Raise a finger if you do this. Lift a finger if you said today to sleep early and ended up sleeping at 5 a.m. Raise a finger if you ever closed the door of your car with the keys inside. Raise a finger if you looked for your remote control while you had it in your hand. Raise a finger if you pretended to listen to someone when you weren't paying attention. Raise a finger if you answered thanks equally when they told you happy